Japanese sweet potato is a special treat, sweet and creamy. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika from MikasTinyKitchen.com. Ready? Here's what you need. Use Japanese sweet potato, purple skin with pale yellow flesh. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Wrap the potato in aluminum foil and bake until done, about 70 minutes. Check with a toothpick. It's done. Now, set your oven temperature to 325 degrees. Slice the potato lengthwise down the center. Then, using a spoon, scoop into a fine mesh strainer. Discard the skin. Using a spatula, push the potato through the strainer into a bowl. This will create a smooth texture. Some people use a potato ricer or masher. Let's add the potato to a pan over medium heat. Add a half cup milk, half cup heavy cream, half of the sugar, and 1 tablespoon butter. Stir until the butter is melted. Lower heat. Keep stirring. When it begins to thicken, add remaining sugar and 1 egg yolk. The 1/4 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch cinnamon. Add the 1 more egg yolk. Mix and stir constantly until the mash is quite thick and has given off most of its water content. I mold using 2 large spoons. Of course, these can be molded by hand too. Make them large enough to create 8 to 10 treats. Place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Beat the remaining egg yolk by hand without adding water and use a brush to coat the top surface of the treat. Bake for 10 minutes or until browned. I wish you could smell these. Golden brown, perfect. Looks so good. They are very sweet, so you won't need any toppings. In Japan, sometimes we put a few black sesame seeds on top. Just beautiful. A thick, creamy, smooth treat laced with vanilla and a hint of cinnamon. Your family will surely ask for it often. I hope you try it soon, and thanks for watching my video.